Do you think that cryptocurrency is only Bitcoin? But the real opportunities are often found in altcoins. Today, we will analyze what altcoins are, why they are important, and show you the top 5 promising coins of 2026. This knowledge will help you make smart decisions in the cryptocurrency market and not lose money due to rash investments. Altcoins are all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. They are created to solve new problems, launch decentralized applications, and expand the blockchain ecosystem. Simply put, if Bitcoin is the underlying asset, then altcoins are innovations, technologies, and new opportunities for investors. And it is altcoins that bring most of the technological progress in the cryptocurrency field. Some of them are working on new generation financial instruments, others on platforms for NFTs and DeFi. In 2026, altcoins have become a key driver of the crypto market. They support new technologies, including AI integration, decentralized finance, and NFT projects. Mass adoption of these coins provides not only the potential growth of their value, but also the development of the entire market. Investors use altcoins to diversify their portfolios and access new financial instruments that Bitcoin cannot provide. Top 5 promising coins. The first coin on our list is Cardano, ADA. Strong team, scalable infrastructure, active ecosystem expansion. It allows you to launch new projects, supports affiliate programs, and is actively developing its blockchain. Its technology is already used in real applications, which increases growth potential. The second coin is Ethereum, ETH. It is known for its smart contract platform and support for decentralized finance and NFTs. Investors value Ethereum for its stability and the ability to build their own projects on its base. Ethereum continues to be the main platform for decentralized applications in 2026. The third coin is SingularityNET, AGI. It integrates AI and blockchain, which allows you to create automated financial services and improve trading algorithms. The coin is quickly attracting the attention of large investors due to its unique technological solutions and innovative approach to decentralized AI. The fourth coin is Solana, SOL. It focuses on high transaction speed and network scalability. Solana is ideal for real-world payments and microtransactions, which makes it promising for commercial applications. Speed and low fees provide it with a competitive advantage compared to other blockchains. The fifth coin is Polkadot, DOT. This is a promising token with a unique staking and passive income model. It attracts the attention of both retail and institutional investors. The Polkadot ecosystem is constantly expanding, which creates the potential for long-term growth. Altcoins are a great potential, but they are very volatile. Prices can drop sharply, and there are no guarantees of growth. Therefore, never invest all your funds in one coin and do not react emotionally to short-term market fluctuations. Portfolio diversification is the key to preserving capital and minimizing risks. Even top altcoins can fall by tens of % in a few days, so it is important to understand where you are investing. The approach to altcoins should be deliberate and systematic. Do not invest more than you are willing to lose. Create a portfolio of several coins, choosing those with real cases, a strong team, and active community. Long-term investments often show better results than trying to make a quick buck on hype. The key goal is to find coins that will remain relevant in 5 years. In 2026, the altcoin market is more mature than ever. Large investors are looking not only at Bitcoin, but also at promising altcoins. DeFi, NFT, and AI technologies open up new opportunities for altcoin growth. Monitoring the market, news, and partnerships helps to identify potentially promising projects in a timely manner. You should not invest in everything in a hurry. Choose coins with a long-term strategy and proven teams. Altcoins are not just additional coins, they are innovations and opportunities. They allow you to diversify your portfolio and gain access to technologies that Bitcoin does not have. But the risks are high, so you need to approach investments consciously. Diversify, analyze, monitor the market, and do not give in to emotions. In the next video, we will analyze what are stablecoins and why are they needed. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell so not to miss key analytical materials on the crypto market.